So as you can see on the screen right here, I've been generating consistent $900 commissions, and the amazing thing is a lot of times these come in while I'm out hanging out with friends and family, or even while I'm sleeping. In this video, I'm gonna share with you the 5 simple steps you can use to generate up to $900 instant commissions deposited into your bank account on autopilot, even if you're completely brand new or you have no technical ability. Now, my name's Garrett Berry, and if you're new to my channel, be sure to subscribe if you want to discover much more information on digital marketing and how you can literally make money from anywhere in the world with a simple Wi-Fi connection. Now, that being said, I want to dive into the very first step. When I first got started, I was actually a waiter. I had dropped out of college and I was slaving away for hours a day, and I just wanted freedom. So I started searching online for different ways to make money, and I tried almost everything. And I invested my hard-earned money into many different opportunities that promised the world you get involved, and they never actually delivered. And I jumped from thing to thing to thing, never having the breakthrough I wanted. See, I wanted freedom. I wanted to be able to have passive income. I wanted to be able to relax on a beach somewhere, sinking my toes in the soft, warm sand, and I still am able to generate income into a bank account without even knowing where it's coming from. So what I discovered after a lot of trial and error are these 5 simple steps that I'm gonna reveal to you. So by the end of the video, you can go out there and start to make money as fast and as easy as possible. So the very first step when you wanna make $900 on autopilot is you need to actually sell a product that will pay you $900. See, a lot of people go out there and let's say they have a goal to make, let's say $900 a day. Well, if you are promoting a product that only pays you about 25% commissions, like a typical affiliate marketing program or a network marketing company, you're gonna need 4 times the amount of sales that I would if I just sell one product that pays me $900. So what you wanna do is you wanna find a product that will pay you a good amount of money. Now, recently, I personally on my own journey discovered something called master resale rights. This is an absolute game changer because what this allows you to do is purchase a product and you actually get the rights to resell this product as your own. This solves 2 major problems. Number 1, when you make a sale, you get to keep 100% profit because it's as if it's your product. There's no middleman, there's no upline in network marketing that you have to give that money away to. And number 2, it removes the problem of slow payouts. So when someone buys, they're actually paying you directly and you get that money instantly to do whatever it is you want to do. So my first step is to actually promote products that have resale rights. Now, if you're watching this at any time in this video, there's going to be a link directly below where you can actually check out much more information as well as access all of this done for you, including resale right products and even steps 2 through 5, as you'll see in a second. So step number 2 is we want to actually leverage automation and have a sales funnel in place that's going to work to convert our leads into sales even while we're sleeping. This is how you're literally going to be able to wake up to $900 being made, because what happens is you need to understand most people are not going to buy right away. When you go to promote a product, it takes people multiple exposures and for them to research, in most cases for them to want to buy. So what we're going to actually be able to do is automate the following up, because the fortune is in the follow-up. So we're going to actually be able to capture our prospect, the person that we're promoting to, their email address, and then we can actually have emails following up with those people even while we're out with our friends and family or even while we're sleeping. This allows us to literally have people open an email from us, click the link to go to the page to buy, decide to buy, and we wake up to seeing money being made on our phone. This is absolutely incredible. And the way you can do this using something called a sales funnel. So a sales funnel is basically just compiled of a few different websites. One of them is called the capture page that captures the person's email. Then it can redirect to a page that's like a sales page that has a buy button where they can actually buy. So some people may go to that page and decide to buy right away, but for the large majority, we collect that email and then it automatically gets added to our email autoresponder sequence, which is a sequence of automated emails that start following up, getting that person more interested and sending them back to the page to eventually decide to buy. Now, the third step is once we have those products in place that will pay us up to $900, and once we have a sales funnel in place, the next step is to get people to discover the front of our sales funnel, which is basically our capture page. So all we're going to have to do in about 1 or 2 hours a day, once that is set up, is simply work to get people clicking on our capture page link, and then a portion will put their email in, and then everything else is done for us and people will get followed up with and decide to buy. How exactly do we get consistent targeted people going into our sales sales funnel so we can start to make these $900 autopilot commissions. There's two main strategies I recommend. Number one is posting free ads on classified websites. So there's actually tons and tons of websites with millions of visitors that are interested in buying products. And what we can do for free is go to those websites and simply copy and paste advertisements on there. And then what's going to happen is, out of all those people, a portion are going to be interested in our ad, and they're going to actually respond and ask us for more information. The second type of way to actually promote this is social media. So you can actually go to Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, whichever social media platform you prefer, and you can post content on there, something like a photo, a video, or text that's designed to attract people interested to us. The beautiful thing about this process that works on autopilot is we never experience rejection, and you never even have to get on the phone with people, because all we do is we post content or ads and we allow that to attract interested people to us. So basically, when people see our Facebook post or our TikTok video, they're going to respond asking us for more information on exactly how this product works. Now, step number 4 is once we start generating interested people commenting on our ads and posts, which we like to call leads, what we're going to simply do is send those people that are interested the link to our capture page, which will lead them to our sales funnel. So literally, once that part is set up, all you have to do is simply spend about 1 or 2 hours a day from a smartphone or a laptop and post ads and content online, and then simply send the interested people your link. That's literally all you have to do to make up to $900 instant paying commissions. And then step number 5 is what I love and what you'll actually love, and that is we generate a new customer. So as you can see, this 5-step formula is incredibly simple. And just to review again, you want to sell products that you don't have to create yourself, and you can actually resell them as your own, making you 100% profit, getting paid instantly. And I highly recommend you do it up to about $900 so you can maximize your profits. Then you want to leverage an automated system so you can actually have all the telling, selling, and following up for you, allowing you to convert way more people that don't decide to buy right away. Then in your 1 or 2 hours a day, you simply want to be posting ads and content on social media and other websites, generating leads, and then you simply want to send those leads to your sales funnel, allowing you to generate new customers. Now, if you're watching this, like I said, there is a link directly below where you can actually access all of this done for you. We give you the product, we give you the sales funnel that's high converting, we give you the discovery strategies, both templates to copy and paste ads online, and even training, both recorded and live training, on exactly how to actually create compelling content to attract your ideal customers to you. Like I said, that resource will be down below. But there we have it, my friend. I really wanted to expose to you how simple making money online can be, and you can even automate the process because we're simply leveraging automation and technology to do the behavior of what someone would have to do anyway, which is following up. If you liked this video, be sure you like this video. That tells me to make more videos just like this. Also subscribe with the bell icon so you don't miss out on my latest training. And I really, really thank you for watching, my friend. Thanks so much, and I will see you on my next video.